Registration is easy, and to start using Coinrule, connect with a wallet from one of the top trading platform. Like for example, we have Binance. You can click Binance and then enter your details, API key, and the secret key. And that's how you can register. It's super simple. Just check out the link in the description. In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick review of Coinrule. So Coinrule is a platform that can help you automate your trading, and this is how the interface looks like. When you want to create your own rules, you can create a rule that can help you trade automatically. You can see if Bitcoin price decreased by 2% within 30 minutes, then that way now. So what are the key features of Coinrule? So number one is no code strategy builder. Users can create trading rules using simple if this then that logic. And for you to register with this, it is super simple. You can click the link in description and then enter your email and password, or you can register with Google by clicking Google. So let me show you how to register. So I'll just enter one of my emails and then wait for it to sign up. To register, you can check out the link in description to open a free account. Registration is easy, and to start using Coinrule, connect with a wallet from one of the top trading platform. Like for example, we have Binance. You can click Binance and then enter your details, API key, and the secret key. And that's how you can register. It's super simple. Just check out the link in description. Let's now go and see some of the other features. This is how your account will look like. You will have rules, exchanges, marketplace, basket, and setting. And also you can get full-time access where you'll be needed to pay some little amount. And before you even pay, you will need to go back to home and then you will click on learn. So this is where you will learn how to utilize this tool. So the first thing you will do is to click on using Coinrule. So this will direct you to how to build a rule. You will just click on build a rule and it will guide you. Build a rule, edit, limit, open position, how to calculate profit on Coinrule. All these are available. And also with the Coinrule, you can create a strategy and then resell it to other people. So that is another way of making money. So in the marketplace, this is a curated platform where traders can buy and sell customized automated trading strategies. On the marketplace, users can access, share, purchase various trading strategies. You can find pre-built strategies created by community members on the marketplace, which users can subscribe to and launch on their own account. So you can sell the strategy that you have purchased and make it even better and sell it in the marketplace. So this is a platform for traders, both experienced and those who are just getting started, and you can automate any trade by just building your own rule. So even triggers and indicators, you just click here and you'll be able to access technical indicators and how to utilize them in the Coinrule. You can see we have all these technical indicators, how to use moving averages, polygonal bands, relative strength, index, RSI, EMA, all these are available. It explains to you how to utilize. So what I wanted you to know is to open an account and then learn how to use Coinrule. So what you will be doing is go to learn, because there are too much information in this website that may not be necessary. So, and also for you to join the Discord, you need to click learn and then come to join Discord. This is where you will be able to now join the community and learn from people. So Discord is a fantastic place to connect with Coinrule community, get help with fellow traders, discuss strategies, and this is how you can join. Head to setting page on the Coinrule. So when you go to the setting, this here, you'll go to settings and it will show you now where you can join the Discord. So you can upgrade your account. You can start with this or the $59 per month, and what is available in the $29 per month is 7 live rules plus 7 demo rules, 50 template strategies, 3 connected exchanges. So you can connect 3 exchanges there, but for the free plan you can connect only one. So, and the other one, if you want to connect more exchanges, then you will need to pay more. And for example, the fund plan is the best because you can connect unlimited exchanges. And if you are a forex trader and you want to sell your strategies, then this is the best platform you can use. Coinrule, you can use it because they have a marketplace where you can resell your own strategies. And that is one of the good things about this. So every time you feel confused, you can always go to home and then click learn, and it will direct you to the learning platform where you will learn everything you need to know about using Coinrule. So in case you want to get started, you can check out the link in description, and it is mostly affordable. Imagine paying $7.49 and you will be able to get access to everything. So this is for people who are already big in the game. So as a beginner, you can start for free and then upgrade later to the investor plan. And for the big boys, you can go for the fund plan. This is for people who are already experienced in the game and they want to monetize their trading of crypto by even selling their strategies. So this is the best platform right now because they have marketplace where you can resell your own strategies, and also you can automate your trade at the same time. So like this video and also share and subscribe to my channel for more information on Coinrule.